This is Sheree for Just Nailed It. Welcome to SheModern Saturday. We're going to do a couple little demos here today with the temperature changing water polish. I got me a little plastic 4-tier stand here from Temu. Forgot to show it in my haul that went up on Tuesday. Or maybe it was Wednesday, whichever day it went up. I forgot to put it in the haul. I'm going to start with the black and the coral shifting. This is the, let me shake her up for you first. This is the black golden shifting watercolor polish. This is one coat. This is really, really super pretty. Bring it just a little bit closer too. Really, really pretty. Excuse me, I'm getting froggy. Shifting golden coral. Let me just give her a shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your boo thing. It's got a golden streak running through it. It's really, really super pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the brush or not, but it is really, really super pretty. Whoops, it is, like I said, a watercolor. You apply another coat so you can get the effect yourself. Take a gander, take a gander, take a gander. I think it's really pretty. I'm liking the black more than the coral myself. Oh, see, it's all over my fingers. So there's what the naked eye on you know. Shoot. And it's dried, so there's that. It does dry relatively quick. Probably that here for right now. These we're not gonna play with. These are the, pull out my magnifying glass. I'll be doing a review on these here in a short while. Sparkle white special clear base, white color. Sparkle gold special clear quick dry. This is my favorite. Shift aqua blue special clear base shifting, and I'm gonna tell you, Mama had to play. I don't know if you can see this. I got the shifting blue on. Well, this isn't hurting your eyes, but I do have the blue on. I had to put the blue on. It is over, what is it? It is over this. But, let me give her a shake. This is really super pretty. Super, super pretty. So it's this over this. Super, super pretty. But we're not going to play with these today. We played with these, I think it was last week. We're going to play with these up here. These ones that are turned upside down. I did these to keep them mixed. I did 2 coats apiece. I have got first the aqua. White aqua is cold. When you see these are all cold state. It says white to aqua, hot would be the white, cold is the aqua. Temperature change, color changing watercolor. white to violet. we are going to see the hot. I will get a bowl of hot water. Blue to violet. And I think this is such, I wish it was more blue. I don't know if you can see it right here. But it is beautiful when it's not mixed. Clear to yellow. This is not, this is like a real jelly. Sorry, the water froggy's coming back. Clear to yellow. Yellow to red. White to melon. Last but not least, we have got white to melon. Wait a minute, excuse me, what? We've got 2 white to melons here, different colored labels. Well, Batman. Don't they look so similar? I guess I got 2 of the same one. Just we'll take one of these out. Duh. I think there are 2 of the same ones. Hello. 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 So let's pick these up. These are the shiftings. Shifties. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So I'm going to put them behind their perspective bottles. I'm going to take these, lay them down front. These are the color changing pigments. Well, not all of them. These are the blooms. These 2 here are color changing pigments. We may do those next week. We'll see. So I'm going to pause right now, get me a bowl of hot water, and we'll return. Okay. There's our bowl of hot water. I got 1 fan on, which I usually have 2 fans on. I am going to try to only half submerge some nails. And they're mixed up from how they were laying, so shouldn't only do maybe Shree nails. Oh, looky. Oh. Are you paying attention? Can you see what the... Oh, wait. I don't have a bowl of cold water. This is the... Let's submerge the whole nail. This is the one that goes from yellow to red. Yellow in the warm stage. This is melon to white. This was the blue violet, I believe. Let me see, this should be the white to aqua. I don't know how much of my table or my mat you're going to be able to see once I'm... This should be the white to violet. Yep. And this should be yellow to clear. Yep. Yellow to clear. So there they are. There they are. And if you can see maybe over here, let me see if I can squish them in. They're starting to come back to their cold state. See? See. That is super cool, Tina. Super cool. I am digging these. They're going to be super cool to play with. Not that I'm always gonna have a bowl of hot water handy, but you know. I can do my niece's nails and they will surely dig it and find it very super cool. I think this is super cool, but look as it's coming back. Look how cool that looks. Especially this one, the blue and the violet. I like that one the best. And then is this one, blue to violet. Blue to violet. This is my favorite. Gina sent me that one, I believe, as a PR. I can't remember. But these are super, super cool to play with. This is white to aqua. Aqua. Clear to yellow. Clear to yellow. Yellow to red. I think that one's cool. Yellow and red. I just think that's... Wow. That one kind of blows my mind. I think that's kind of funny. But I don't know, head over to SheModern.com. Go check out the catalog. You can buy gift cards for people, you know, anywhere from like $10 on up. Use my code at checkout, NailedIt67, all caps. Buy you some water on the water. The temperature changing. They got the pigments, the watercolors. I'm not sure if there's stickies out yet, but she is gonna have them. There is all kinds of new stuff out. They got the square bottles with the pigments and the powders and the dust. So check that out. Glow in the dark, I mean. So check that out. Let's do this again. Super, super cool. And it looks like a little kid over here, right? Right. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. And if you haven't already, please leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Have a blessed day and thank you.